Guys, I was not planning on filming an unboxing video anytime soon, especially after my handbag collection video. So needless to say, this was not a planned purchase, but it was a purchase. When we were in California, I was browsing. I wasn't looking for anything in particular. I went into the Chanel boutique and I really didn't see anything crazy. Obviously, they have a lot of good stuff, but nothing that like tickled my fancy. I had in my mind that I wanted to go get a card case at Gucci because specifically I just love the color of this. I feel like, I forget what they call it, blush nude I want to say, but it is the prettiest color. It's like a nudie pink cream color, and this, whether it's here or not, I really don't care, but I just really loved the color. I wanted something nude. I don't have a card case, surprisingly, but I have a lot of small bags, and even in Disney I really would have wanted to put a card case inside my mini Marymount because my card wallet, that's like a snap down, can tend to get bulky. So I just wanted something to just slip like my main, like my debit and my credit and my license in. So I went into Gucci to just get this. And I've had in the back of my mind, I wanted to look at their velvet bags for the winter. They've had the same like plummy magenta color for I think the last year, maybe 2 years. And I've kind of had it on my radar. I was looking at them. I also had a teal and like a tomato red and a cobalt, and I was looking at the plum and I really loved it, but I asked the SA if they had it in a smaller size because the smaller size had all this like embroidered floral pattern on it and I wasn't crazy about it, and the flap bag that they had in the velvet was, I think, too large for my body. So he was looking in the computer and he said no, they only have the smaller size, only comes in the raspberry. And I said, what's the raspberry? Because I saw all of the velvet bags on display and I didn't see the raspberry. Here it was sitting on the very tippity top of the shelf, which unless you're 7 feet tall, I don't know how anyone could see it up there. So he brings it down and it was like, ah, so pretty. So I've told you already what this was, but I wanted to kind of tell you the story. I wasn't even gonna walk away with the magenta bag that day, but when he showed me this bag, I just thought, I just can't leave without this. So this bag got pretty banged up on the airplane. It was my carry-on. And a lot of people spotted this in my Instagram picture. I snapped a picture at like 5:30 in the morning in the bathroom of the Viceroy where we were staying because the hotel bathroom is so pretty. And I had this on my shoulder and I wasn't even thinking about it. And then I was going through comments on that picture and everybody spotted the Gucci bag, which you guys are good because I didn't really even know what Gucci bags looked like until I had one for myself because I don't own any other Gucci bag other than my little mini Marymount, which didn't come in a bag because I ordered it online. So here's how it comes packaged. I feel like everybody has these bags now, which is one of the reasons I wasn't really into or like going into shop, because the black and the nude bag I feel like everybody has on Instagram, which is kind of why I also really like the idea of the velvet bag because I don't see a lot of people with it. This is how the box opens. The girl that ended up helping me was so sweet and she like packaged this up perfectly. This is really exciting. I've never, other than my little mini, I never really got anything from Gucci. So it comes in this cute little satin dust bag. You guys are gonna freak out over this color. I legit freaked out. So, and I have to say, you guys saw my collection, so you know I have a lot of Chanel's and I have a lot of Louis Vuittons, and I have never in my entire length of time collecting bags received a bag, even from Chanel, that have cost triple this. I've never received a bag that was so well packaged. I just have to put that out there. And these aren't even, I don't want to say they're not expensive, but these aren't even the price of Chanel bags. And I feel like these were packaged like beyond better than any Chanel or Louis Vuitton bag, like everything. And they even had me like inspect everything, like take all the packaging off to inspect it before I walked out of the store, before they went back and packaged it up. See, it's so packaged that I cannot even get it open. There we go. Chains are all wrapped. Edit it down so you don't have to sit through and watch me do this. Think I got it all? No, I didn't get it all. All right, now I have it all. Oh my God, okay. I just wanna make sure that the camera is like showing the true color. I have never seen a color like this before in my life. And I told you guys about the Miu Miu blush pink and how I feel like companies just like don't do pinks well, or at least the companies I've looked into. But I feel like Gucci completely nailed this color. Raspberry is a great way to describe this. I would almost describe it as like a cross between a raspberry and a bubblegum. Oh my God. And I said to the guy, like, you need to move them down. I never would have saw this had I just been browsing. I never would have saw this, and I feel like this is the best color in the collection. I could not find this color online to link it for you. I'll link the bag itself, and you can see it online in the cobalt, the teal, the red. There's like a brownie nude, which I thought, to be honest, was hideous. And the plum, like the magenta plum. I did not see this color online, so I don't know if this is, I don't know anything about Gucci. I don't know if this is like an exclusive color to Gucci stores. I don't know if it's sold out. I don't know if it's brand new. I don't know, but I'll link you to the bag. I'm sure you could call Gucci boutiques and locate one. But this is an amazing bag. When I was talking to the girl about this, I told her that I just loved the size of this. It's like the perfect size for my body frame and how short I am. And she said, well, if you like this and you're getting this card case, have you considered this bag but in this leather? And I said, I don't know. I feel like everybody owns that bag, and I don't want to have a bag that everyone else has. And she was like, let me just go get it for you. So they had it in the larger flap. I'll put a picture here. Too big for me. But when she brought out this size in that leather, I was like, okay, I get it. Now I understand why it's in every other of my Instagram pictures. It's like the perfect, I mean, I just love this color. And on this bag, it was amazing. And truthfully, I almost walked out with that one. But because I knew that bag would be around a lot longer than this one. This is a seasonal color. The teal and the purpley magenta was around last season. It's back again this season. The new colors this season are this one, the red, the cobalt, which I almost did get the cobalt, but I wasn't really looking for a pink bag, and I love cobalt. You guys know that's like my favorite color, but this shade of pink is so unique. It's so amazing. And I had on denim jacket, white jeans, and it just looked so good. It was like such a good pop of color. But I thought, at least for the fall and winter, I'll go with this color and the velvet, and then maybe I'll hold on to this. I'll keep this flap, but in this color, on my wish list for the future, because that's a color that you could just carry all through the year. Although I feel like it's definitely more of like a spring summer color. There's a little button under here that unclasps. The inside is like this hot teal satin, which is amazing. This is, I think, calfskin leather. It has another little zip pouch here with all of the insides, the cards and stuff. And I don't know what color is on the inside of the other color bags, but the essay that helped me was so sweet, and she's like, you're gonna be back for all of the colors, I assure you. She's like, you're gonna want them all. It kind of matches my sleeve. So pretty, and you can wear it crossbody, which is the way I like to wear these size bags. You can wear it double strap or single strap. And the other thing that you can do is put the leather, and I actually learned this from Chanel, tuck the leather underneath, and kind of wrap it underneath, and just have the chain. You can do this with Chanel bags too, which I didn't know. Just have the chain and have the leather just kind of be underneath, just to have a chain bag. Easy to open while it's on your body. And this has like the traditional heart that a lot of the Gucci bags have, which I think is so pretty and unique. But yeah, that is my little unboxing. This is my unplanned purchase. I just thought it would be so fun for the upcoming fall and winter season. I don't have any other velvet bags, as you guys saw. I also wouldn't be opposed to a black velvet. I feel like that's so classic. It didn't have this color. I probably would have walked out with this color bag, or maybe the black velvet, but I just couldn't pass up this color. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're interested in this color, at the South Coast Plaza store, I had some in that store. I just love this, especially with the gold. So that is it, my little impromptu unboxing. My first full size, I would say Gucci purchase. I have the little super mini Gucci bag, but I can now really appreciate why I'm seeing Gucci as like the it brand all over my Instagram. I feel like I see it more nowadays than Chanel, and I never really understood it. I don't have a Gucci store near me, so I've never been in one before. And just the attention to detail, how helpful they were, and how well it was packaged. And I have to say, like, on the more affordable end of high-end designer bags. This will probably not be my last Gucci purchase, but OMG, am I in love with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you later. Bye.